I saw this amazing bejeweled Labubu at the US opening and I wanted it. Now, can I afford it? No. So today I created a cute DIY version that's simple, easy to do for you guys to follow. All of the products will be listed in the description box below. Let's get
Billie Jean bling, crowd goes quiet,